Yup. Once again, Nick Rick. Nobody's slicker than Ricker. This man I know lives a life so hard. He blames himself while he lives life behind bars. He tries to do right, but there's not enough time. He slowly slips back into a life of crime. It's a life in the dark, with breaking and stealing. It's a life of drugs, he's wheeling and dealing. But yet he can't stop, this is all that he knows. So when he gets back out, back to the life he goes. He tries to get help, but nobody cares. He lives all alone with the shame that he wears. All he needed was help, just one hand to reach out. But one never came, they all looked at with doubt. He wanted to prove all these people wrong, for thinking he's weak when he's actually strong. So he changed for himself because it's for the best. Now he's back in this world, ready for the test. He's trying his best, but yet still he has trouble. But he never quits going through this struggle. He finally caught up, and he's finally doing fine. He forgets all his past, left that all behind. He knows who he is and what he's all about. Now he is the hand that is actually reaching out. You know, just a little life, saying never stop going through the struggle. You'll make it one day. Life gets hard. Don't let it get you, you know.